Good day everyone, we are the group 3 and the establishment that we choose is the SM Max and Fablo kitchen layout.
Good day everyone, this is the company store of Max. Max Restaurant started in 1945. Maximo Jimenez, a Stanford-educated teacher, befriended American Gis stationed in Quezon City as Maximo or Max, as the Gis called him, invited his new friends over for drinks. The Filipino hospitality kicked in, and Ruby Max's niece would prepare for them to enjoy her special recipe for Max. Sarap to the bones fried chicken become a hit, eventually making it and build Max's iconic Filipino dish.
The sample food of Max restaurant is the fried chicken. Meron silang spring fried chicken, regular whole fried chicken, family fried chicken, and also combo meals that basic meal, fiesta meal, plater meal, chicken sisig rice bowl, tofu rice bowl, Shanghai rice bowl, and syempre meron tayong mga extra order. Regular crispy pata, large crispy pata, family crispy pata, nilagang bulalo, kare-kare, regular pancit canton, fresh or fried lumpiang ubod, sizzling tofu, chicken sisig, and chop suey, fried boneless bangus, lumpiang Shanghai, sinigang na hipon, sinigang na tiyan ng bangus, sinigang na baboy, pinakbet, large rice, and also halo-halo special, halo-halo regular, halo-halo solo, and leche flan, and lechon kawali. And also the drinks, meron silang Pepsi and other iced tea, ganan.
In these slides shows the visualizers floor plan from the establishment we choose. So as you can see, may makikita kayong table kung saan kinukuha yung mga order, and then mapupunta siya sa mga equipment at sa area kung saan siya gagawin. Like for example, sa oven, sa stove, meron ding racks, at saka meron ding mga fryers. Meron din mga double door refrigerator kung saan pinipreserve yung mga raw stocks nila. And as you can see, may mga doors din sa likod kung saan nag-exit and nag-enter yung mga empleyado. Para din hindi hassle kapag nagpapalit ng shift yung mga empleyado sa isang establishment. Meron din silang mga locker kung saan nilalagay yung mga gamit ng mga empleyado sa loob ng kitchen nila para din hindi rin hassle at pakalat-kalat yung mga gamit.
Hello, good day everyone. First of all, my name is Emmanuel B. Maghirang and ako ang naka-assign para mag-report kung ano ang way or process ng order natin sa loob ng ating kitchen. And first thing is, as you can see the label sa ating bubble na may nakasulat na order received, which is sa table natin. Dun natin ina-accept yung ating mga orders, then ililipat natin siya sa ating table process or order process, which is nandyan yung ating mga equipments or utensils na gagamitin natin, which is yung ating mga stove, fryer, and yung ating mga oven, which is dito natin pinaprocess or ginagawa or niluluto yung ating mga orders to make sure na okay lahat. Then after nating maluto, saka natin siya i-out dito sa ating kitchen, then to serve na sa ating dine-in.
Door. Based on the layout, the door in the front and the back, this is the entrance and exit of the customer. Dishwasher machine, based on the layout, is a machine for cleaning dishware and cutlery automatically. So the sink, based on the layout, a sink is a large fixed container in the kitchen with taps to supply water. Racks, based on the layout, this is the large area in the kitchen. Locker make for easy access to supplies. It used for locker as spaces to store dishes and more.
Based on the layout, on the other side we have two double door refrigerator on both corner sides. It is usually designed with multiple drawers which increases storage capacity. And we have two tables. And we have a kitchen sink. It is used for meat preparation, washing hands, and even washing vegetables. In the middle part, we have table with racks, ideal for storing small items such as plates or utensils. Can also be used to store book ingredients. And we have water dispenser. Supply of drinking water, it is very and can supply cold, moderate, and hot water. It is play a vital role in workplace. On the other side, we have stove, a portable or fixed apparatus that burns fuel or uses electricity to provide heat as for cooking or heating. And we have fryer. It is designed to cook such as chicken, fish, and vegetables. And we have oven.
So, this is the back of the house of the kitchen layout of Max's restaurant. So, magmumula ang order processing once na ma-receive na ng staff or worker ang order galing sa customer. Once the order received from the kitchen, then the order process within their respective station depending on what the order is. For example, the customer orders a Max's fried chicken with a side dish of their canton and fresh ubod lumpia. Then the process will be taken from the other side of the kitchen, doing it with different staff or workers depending on their position. Just like for the Max's fried chicken, it will be taken or cooked by the fryer, and the canton and fresh ubod lumpia will be cooked or taken by the pantry. Then, once all of the order process is done, then the order will be out to be carried or taken away by the staff in the dining so that the order will be out for the customer. So, that's the flow chart of kitchen in Max's restaurant.